Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. If you like to learn how to bake bread at home, here comes a wonderful recipe to start. This easy white bread is made with simple ingredients and bakes up deliciously golden brown. It is soft on the inside with a crunchy crust. Let's see how to bake this perfect yeast bread. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of active yeast and 1 tablespoon of sugar in warm water. Transfer 500 grams of flour to a large bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and form a hollow in the center. And pour in the yeasted water. Then start kneading. The dough will be soft, sticky, and quite loose. It will result in a softer bread. Because this dough is so sticky, it's quite a challenge to knead it, so wet your hands as many times as you need. Cover the dough and let it rise for about 40 minutes. A warm environment makes the dough rise faster. Now, punch down the dough. Use your fingertips to gently press while doing so. Then transfer the dough to a lightly floured surface. Stretch the bottom of the dough and fold it up to the center, then repeat with the left side, right side, and top until you form the dough into a ball. Divide the dough into 8 pieces. You can wet your knife so the dough won't stick. Roll these 8 pieces into balls. You can sprinkle some flour on your hands and on the dough to keep it from sticking. Line an oven tray with parchment paper. Gently shape the balls into cylinder shape. You can also have them as ball-shaped or any shape you like. Once you have shaped the dough, place on the oven tray and let it rest for 15 or 20 minutes, covered with a damp towel. Brush the dough with plain yogurt. This helps to give a golden brown color to the bread, but you can also brush with water instead of yogurt. And if you wish, you can lightly sprinkle a little flour on top of each loaf to make them look like stone oven baked breads. Finally, use a sharp knife or a razor blade to score the surface of the loaves. Bake in an oven preheated at 230 degrees, about 25 minutes. I like to point out that placing a cup of water on the bottom rack of the oven before starting to heat results in a softer bread with a crisp crust, so keep this in mind. Your loaves are ready, let them cool to room temperature. They are crusty on the outside and soft on the inside. You can slice when loaves are completely cooled down. You can use them for your sandwiches by cutting lengthwise into halves. Hope you enjoyed. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.